Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily track link clicks and button clicks on your WordPress site using Monster Insights. If you've ever wondered how your visitors interact with your site, like which links they're clicking or which call to action buttons are grabbing their attention, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to set this up, and you won't need to mess with any complicated code. Let's dive right in and get your click tracking up and running. We're going to use Monster Insights, which is hands down the most popular and beginner-friendly way to track clicks and other events on WordPress. Monster Insights works almost like autopilot. It handles most of the tracking automatically, and the setup process is super streamlined. So first, what you'll want to do is install the Monster Insights plugin. If you haven't installed a plugin before, you can just log into your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Monster Insights. Once you've found it, hit Install and then Activate. Now, right after activation, Monster Insights will prompt you to connect your WordPress site to your Google Analytics 4 property. Don't be intimidated by this, just follow the setup wizard. It walks you through the process step by step and you won't need to touch any code. Think of the wizard like using GPS. It directs you exactly where to go so you can't get lost. By the end, your site is smoothly connected to Google Analytics, setting the stage for all your event tracking. Now here, where the real magic happens, Monster Insights starts tracking the most important interactions automatically right out of the box. Let's break down exactly what it tracks for you without any extra effort. If someone clicks an outbound link, say a reference to another blog or resource outside your website, Monster Insights logs that. If you have affiliate links like those cloaked with pretty links, these are tracked too, which is crucial for seeing what promotions your audience responds to. It also monitors file downloads, so if you're offering PDFs, zip files, or other downloads, you'll know exactly how many times those resources are being clicked. On top of that, clicks on contact links, those mail-to links where folks email you or tell links to call you, are included in the tracking as well. This automated event tracking is a real lifesaver because you don't need to set up each event manually. You can think of it like having a security camera at every door. Monster Insights automatically watches the routes your visitors are taking. Sometimes, you might want more detailed insights, especially on your main call-to-action buttons like a sign-up or a purchase button. Monster Insights makes this easy and doesn't require any coding. All you need to do is add a simple data attribute to your button's HTML, for example, data vars galabel equals my button. Don't worry if you're new to HTML, it's basically just a tiny tag you add to the button's code. Adding this attribute lets Monster Insights know that this specific button is important, so it can track every click as a unique event. Imagine you're putting a sticky note that says "check this" on the button for extra attention. Once you've set all this up, accessing your tracking reports couldn't be easier. Just go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Insights, then Reports. Here you'll find real-time click data displayed in a way that's easy to understand, even if you've never looked at analytics before. You'll be able to see which links and buttons your visitors are really using, letting you tweak your strategy and improve engagement over time. And that's it. With Monster Insights, tracking link clicks and button actions on WordPress is streamlined and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more details about a specific setup. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.